Welcome to Code with Miracle channel. Today we are going to learn what are modules in Python. Modules are files with .py extension containing the Python code that can be imported inside another program. Here I have created main.py and example.py. Example.py is going to act as module in our example. Now let's get into example.py. Here I have defined two variables, a and b, then a function called add, which return addition of two variables. Now let's move into main.py. We can import modules in four different ways. Now let's see the first way. The first way is a normal syntax where we use import then file name without .py extension. Here you can see I'm using example.py, so I have to write import example. To access its variable and method, I have to write example dot variable name. Here you can see I have a and b. I'm going to access a, so example dot a. To access its function, it is simple. The same way you have to follow example dot add. Then, if the function requires any parameter, then you have to pass. Here you can see it needs two parameters, so I'm passing 10 and 20. Now save the file and run. Here you can see enter 10 and 30, so it is working fine. Now let's move into the next example. We can even provide a arrays name to a module. Here you can see I've imported example as if. So instead of writing example.a, I can write f.a. This would be simple. Now let's run the file. Here you can see it is able to print the variable value. Now let's see the third way of importing the modules. Here you can see from example import star, that means it is trying to import all the variable function in this file. So instead of accessing it example.a or f.a, can directly access add. Here I'm passing 45 and 45. Save this and run. Here you can see it is working. Now let's see the last way of importing the modules. And this is the preferred way of importing the module, because say in your code you just need a variable a and add function. On that case you don't need to use star. This will confuse the user reading your code. Plus if you run this code, it will take a lot of time because it has to load all the method and variable from example.py. So the third method is not a preferred way of importing modules. You have to use this fourth way, where you need to specify, okay, from this example.py file I need a function called add plus a variable a. Now let's try this. Print a comma add. Here you have to pass parameters. Now I'm going to pass 20 and 20. Save this and run. Yeah, here you can see it is able to print. This is how we import modules in Python. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe this channel.